Oh my gosh, I stepped on something really hard. Hey y'all, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Shelby, aka simply Shelby. Welcome back, or if you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Shelby. I like to do fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. Today, we are doing another clothing unboxing. Woo woo! I haven't done one in a hot second, which I'm really sorry for. Life has been crazy, but you know, I'm back, we're here, and we're gonna be doing another unboxing today. I'm gonna be talking about Stitch Fix, which I got a huge box from them right here. If you don't know Stitch Fix, they are a styling service. So every month, your stylist will pick out about 5 pieces for you to try on, and you can also buy stuff from their shop as well. So yeah, I'm gonna be opening my Stitch Fix box and showing y'all what I got and that type of thing, and also just kind of giving you my review about it and how the clothes look and feel, that type of thing. So if you're interested in seeing the Stitch Fix review and seeing the unboxing, I would love it if you stay tuned and stick around. If you haven't already, I would love if you subscribe to my channel if you would like. That would mean so much to me. Give this video a thumbs up if you're feeling the vibe, and turn on post notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video, and let's get into it. Okay, so we are gonna do this unboxing. Got my scissors here. We are gonna open it up, and right now I'm just wearing some overalls from Nasty Gal. So if you want some overalls, that's where I got them. But yeah, let's just open the box. So Stitch, oopsies. Okay, so yeah, they give you a big old envelope, by the way, to return your stuff if there's stuff you don't want. So it comes really nicely packaged, and it comes with like your receipt and things like that. If you've never ordered from Stitch Fix before, kind of gives you like a styling guide, which is really fun, your order total, and also just like take a peek, just different fun things with your stuff. So like it kind of shows you how you can style the items that you have, which I think that's really fun, because you know, if you're using a styling service, you might not know exactly like what to order. So first off, my shoes, they come in these pouches here. Stitch Fix allows you to kind of preview your pieces, which is really, really fun. Where before it was just like surprise, which you can still do, but now you can preview the items. So I got these black booties, which these should be really cute for like fall and just like match a lot of things. They're kind of like a sock type of booty. I got another pair of shoes. In this Fix, there's a bit more stuff. Normally it's just 5 pieces, but in this one I have a bit more. And then I got these cool sandals by Mark Fisher, I believe. And these are kind of like this, just a little strappy sandal. I feel like these will also just be great to wear and like super comfortable, and they're nice and padded. So these are the sandals that I got. And then, so if you can see, this is how your stuff is packaged. So it's packaged really nice and cute. They make it very, 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 what is it, like chic looking. So first off, I got this really cute shacket, which is a lot of fun. So it looks like this, and I'll show you the clothing pieces on after, but this is the shacket. So it's kind of like an inside out shacket, if you can tell. And a shacket is basically a jacket sweater. I think that's what it stands for. Shacket, jacket, sweater. I'll double check for y'all and I'll let y'all know. But yeah, this is the shacket that I got. I got it in a size medium, and it's by Free People, so it's really nice, and I love kind of just the thickness of it. This will be perfect for fall and just like, you know, even colder summer days. And this other part I got, let's move the box out of the way. I got some more clothes to go with the shacket, or just in general. So I kind of got this workout set, this really cute teal, and this is from Beyond Yoga, the brand. I got these cute teal leggings to go with, let's see, this top actually. So I got this cute teal top also from Beyond Yoga. I got them both in a size medium, and then these will go together cutely like as a workout set. So this is the first piece that I got, and again, I'll show y'all what these look like on afterwards. And then I also got this cute little tank top blouse thing. This will be really, really cute for summer. I think it's kind of like a leopard pattern. This is from a brand called 9 Britain in a size medium. So Stitch Fix carries a lot of different brands. They have brands that you probably know, like Free People, Madewell, Ralph Lauren, those type of things, or brands that you might not exactly know. So that's kind of fun with them, is you get to try out a different brands. And then I also got this knit dress. This is really, really, really soft. This would be perfect for summer. It's by 9 Britain, the Gloria knit dress in size medium. And with Stitch Fix, you put your sizes in on the website, so the stylist knows like what size you're gonna be and that type of thing. I also got some little biker shorts. They have a cute little detail back there, if you can see, Vioru. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but I got these in size medium. These look really nice. I love the ribbing here, and these, I just love also that little back detail. So those are really, really nice. I definitely think I would keep those. Also got some jeans here. These are some cute black jeans. These are the high-rise fab ab crop straight leg cut from the cloth jeans. So these are some nice jeans that I got. Also, to kind of go with the jacket look, I got a cute denim like mustard color skirt from Just Black. So this is really, really cute. And yeah, I'll show you how I would kind of style this stuff too as well, like on and that type of thing. But yeah, I got a lot of cute items, and this skirt I also got in a size medium. So yeah, these are all of the items. I'm gonna try them on. They all feel very nice so far, and I love all the packaging and things like that. So I'll try it on and I'll show y'all what they look like on. Hi friends, okay, we're on to the try on. I'm actually tried on one piece already, or one outfit. So this is the leggings and then the tank. I really do like it. So I'm wearing just like a bra underneath, so don't mind that. But it has like the cool X detail back here, and then the little logo for Beyond Yoga. And these also do have pockets, which are really nice. It feels super comfortable. I got this both in a size medium, and this is what the set looks like. Super cute. I really, really like it. And yeah, they pants or leggings, they're pretty full length, so they go down to my ankle, which I think is nice. So this is what the first set looks like, and let's try on the next piece. Okay, my camera might die soon, so I might have to pop out, you know, into a new battery. But this is the little blouse, like leopard blouse, and then this is the skirt. Super cute. I would probably pair this outfit with the booties that I got for like a cute fall look. So these with the booties, and then also I'd probably pair it with this jacket, because the jacket is just like screaming fall vibes, and fall is around the corner. So if you pair it with this jacket and the little booties, then you have like a really cute fall look. So here's the jacket, really comfortable, really, really cute. And here's the booties. So yeah, I would just pair this all together, and let's try on the next outfit. Okay, here's the next little outfit. It is a knit dress. This is really, really comfortable and soft. Let's put these away. This is a knit dress, super soft, really, really comfy. I do like it for summer. I think it would be really cute. It is a tad big. You can't really tell on camera, but it feels slightly big, but I still might keep it because it would be really, really comfortable to wear for summer. It's really cute and just like, yeah, super easy to wear. With this outfit, I might wear the sandals because this would look, I think this would look cute together, right, for summer? I think so. I think it would look cute for the end of summer, you know what I'm saying? And then the other two pieces that I got, sorry, I'm coming up close, but I also got the jeans and the biker shorts, which I'm just not gonna try on right now because it's just some black jeans, which I don't think I'm gonna keep these jeans because they're just not really my style from the looks of them. And then these are the biker shorts, which they kind of just fit like regular biker shorts. So yeah, that was the try on. Let me know what your favorite outfit was, if you've ever tried Stitch Fix before, or if you have any questions, I would love to answer them for you down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you felt the vibe. Turn on post notification. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video, and subscribe to my channel. I would love it if you did, and see y'all next time. Bye!